It was meant to be a demonstration by Election Commission officials for all political parties of a prototype of remote voting machines to allow migrants to vote from wherever they are. But it turned into a protest by most political parties which opposed the decision and questioned why political parties weren't consulted. They also questioned the government's definition of migrants.
Look, we are putting the cart before the horse, and that's something I said as well, that we are putting the cart before the horse. We are here to see a demonstration of a remote voting machine and decide on its technicalities. But we here, who are representatives of the democracy of India, none of us have even talked about whether we are going to agree in agreement with the use of this remote voting machine. So why have we spent research and development into developing a machine when there is no basic agreement about whether we are going to use the machine or not?
According to the Election Commission, there are nearly 30 crore migrant voters across the country. These are unable to vote during general elections. But opposition parties oppose this figure, pointing out that 6 months ago, the government had said in Parliament there were 70,000 migrant voters in the country.
6 महीना पहले भी सरकार ने पार्लियामेंट में जो प्रस्तुति किया है उसमें वो सिर्फ 70,000 माइग्रेंट वर्कर का उल्लेख करता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे चुनाव आयोग के दस्तावेज में वो बोल रहा है कि 30 करोड़ है हमारे देश में प्रवासी मजदूर.
Nearly, I would say almost 99% of all the political parties present ask the basic question, what is migrant labor voting mean? What are we even trying to do here? So it was decided by all of us that there is no question of even looking at a demonstration of a system, because we first want to understand what is this idea. And all of us expressed skepticism about what this will achieve without eroding the trust further in the election process.
Other political parties like the Shinde faction of the Shiv Sena have welcomed the Election Commission's decision. Why have you all welcomed the EVM?
जो टारगेट है 100% वोटिंग परसेंटेज होना चाहिए, वो टारगेट अचीव करने के लिए जो इनिशिएटिव लिया है इलेक्शन कमीशन ने.
Allowing migrant labor to vote across the country is going to be easier said than done, and the Election Commission realizes it needs to build a consensus amongst political parties before giving the green signal. With camera person Karan Patra, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.